It's 11 p.m. You say, just one more video. 3 hours later, gone. TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, they pull you in effortlessly. But the second you open your textbook, you feel tired, restless, bored, ready to quit. Before you blame yourself, stop. You're not lazy. You're not undisciplined. Your dopamine system has been hijacked. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to hijack it back using the exact same psychology that makes social media addictive and turns studying into something your brain actually wants to do. No extreme discipline, no 10-hour study grinds, just neuroscience. Let's break it down. Step 1. Lower the dopamine noise without quitting social media. Here's the problem. Scrolling gives your brain massive dopamine spikes. Fast, colorful, personalized, endless. Studying? Quiet, slow, effortful. When your brain gets used to huge dopamine hits, normal activities feel boring in comparison. So when you try to study, your brain rejects it. Not because you're lazy, but because it's overstimulated. This is why a dopamine detox actually works. But not the extreme kind. You don't need to delete every app. You just need to lower the spikes. Here's how. Don't scroll first thing in the morning. Turn off all essential notifications. Keep social media inside 1 to 2 fixed blocks per day. After a few days, something shifts. Your brain recalibrates. Small wins start feeling like rewards again. And now, studying has a chance. Step 2. Build your own study algorithm. Social media feels addictive for one big reason. Personalization. The algorithm shows you content at the perfect difficulty and interest level, so we're stealing that idea. Most students study at the wrong level. Too easy, boring. Too hard, overwhelming. Your sweet spot is mostly understandable, slightly challenging. That's when dopamine stays steady. So, break big topics into smaller targets. Set goals you can realistically win. Connect study material to your interests. Love fitness? Relate biology to muscle growth. Love money? Relate maths to investing. Love tech? Relate physics to engineering. When your brain sees relevance, attention increases automatically. If boredom hits, don't blame yourself. Adjust the material, switch the explanation, shrink the task. Make the content fit your brain, not the other way around. Step 3. Turn studying into a scrollable feed. Why does scrolling feel good? It's short, it's instant, it's clear and rewarding. But most people treat studying like a 2-hour movie with no breaks, no feedback, no checkpoints, no wins. Of course your brain quits. Instead, turn studying into micro-learning cycles. Think. One concept, one formula, one flashcard, one definition. Studying short bursts, 30 seconds to 3 minutes per microtask. Then test immediately. Ask one question, flip one flashcard, do one quick recall. 2 outcomes. You get it right, dopamine hit. You get it wrong, clarity, which is also rewarding. Then repeat, learn, test, tiny win, next. Now studying feels like scrolling through small victories, not drowning in content. Step 4. Add rewards the smart way. Social media hooks you with 2 reward types. 1. Instant feedback. 2. Random surprises. Studying usually has neither, so we add them. Instant rewards. Use tools that respond immediately. Flashcards that flip green. Quiz apps that show correct. Checklists that can be ticked off. Your brain loves completion. Every check mark is a dopamine pulse. Micro rewards. After every 5-minute focus block, stretch, drink water, walk for 60 seconds, take a deep breath. Simple, but powerful. The secret weapon, random rewards. Create 5 small rewards after every good study round. Randomly choose one. Maybe it's 5 minutes of music, a snack, a short scroll block, a funny video. You don't know which one you'll get. That unpredictability keeps your brain engaged. It's the same psychology behind viral content. Now you're not fighting, you're wiring, you're using it. Step 5. building the study habit loop. Think about how you open social media. It's automatic. Cue, action, reward, repeat. We build the same loop for studying. 1. Choose a cue. 1 consistent signal. Pour a glass of water. Sit at the same desk. Start your focus playlist. Keep it identical every time. Brains love pattern. 2. Tiny action. Not 2 hours. 5 focus minutes. Micro-learning. Quick feedback. Small wins. 3. Clear reward. When the 5-minute ends, check the box, say done, take a deep breath, tiny reward. Loop closed. Every loop strengthens the habit. Stack enough loops, and the studying stops being a decision. It becomes a reflex. The truth most students miss. You don't need more motivation. You need better dopamine management. Lower the spikes, personalize the difficulty, create micro wins, add rewards, build the loop. Consistency beats intensity. 1 5-minute loop per day can beat 1 5-hour crash session per week. You started this video wondering, can I really get addicted to studying the way I can get addicted to scrolling? Now you know. Yes, but only if you use your brain's design instead of fighting it. You've learned how to make studying addictive. You learn how to make it unforgettable. This is Studying with Suzie, and I'll see you in the next video. Let's build productivity systems that work daily.